An OBT using Render projects funded by Faith Comes by Hearing will normally have this equipment configuration. There's one laptop for each user. In this example, the first user on the left is serving as both the configure person and also as the exegete number one. And you'll notice down below a device name. Each laptop using Windows has a device name. To find it, tap the Windows key and type the word about, A-B-O-U-T. You'll see this utility, About Your PC. Click on that, and here is this device's device name. The configure person will want to record this device name for every computer on the project, and then he'll need that to add those devices to the render project. So in this case, user T1, translation team 1, has their own computer and it will have a unique device name. User T2 has their own computer with a unique device name. Same for the back translate user and exegete 2 user and the consultant. During the project launch workshop, and also after the team moves to their permanent working location, they'll have a router that has a USB port on the back. And a USB thumb drive plugged in can serve as a common storage device between the computers connected to that Wi-Fi. So in this way, the team can connect wirelessly to this router with the USB plugged in, and then by virtue of being connected to that router, they can perform LAN sync within Render and share their data up to that device. And in this way, they can share their work between computers. During the project launch workshop, the consultant also can connect to that Wi-Fi router and share his work. After that consultant leaves the project launch workshop and lives in a different location, they can synchronize through the web. Normally, a router is connected to the internet, and in that way, the consultant can share their work up to the cloud copy of this project. The team, meanwhile, back where they're working, the config person, once in a while, like maybe once every week or so, can connect to a router that has Wi-Fi and share the work up to the cloud. Any computer that synchronizes, its copy of the project on that computer will be updated. So after synchronizing to the team's Wi-Fi router that has the USB storage device, collecting all the latest work from the other computers, config will connect to the internet and share all that work up to the cloud copy of the project. In so doing, he'll share all their work up to the cloud, making it available to the consultant, but at the same time, that synchronization to the cloud will pull down the consultant's work to the config machine. Then, after he gets back to the team's working location, the config will once again connect to the team's Wi-Fi router with the USB storage device, do a synchronization, and share the consultant's work with the whole team. So again, this is the typical equipment configuration for an OBT using Render project funded by Faith Comes by Hearing.